I spend practically all of my time in my kitchen when I'm not in my office. I admit completely that I'm a terrible cook and I don't even care. I love being in my kitchen. My name is Barbara Sallick, and I am the co-founder and senior vice president of design at Waterworks. And here we are today in my kitchen in Southport, Connecticut. The kitchen was built about 3 years ago, and I love my kitchen. We didn't start with the kitchen. The kitchen wasn't even on the radar screen. It was fine. The backsplash was hideous, but I could have changed that. But the thing that absolutely turned the table was the kitchen sink was in the back corner, and I looked out in a breezeway, but there was nothing to see. And I had this beautiful terrace, and I wanted to look outside. But what I love to do is sit at my kitchen table. I actually don't have a work triangle. I have a work racetrack oval, and I just can go around the island and everything is literally within arm's reach. So while everybody's talking about cabinetry, I'm talking about covering the walls with tile. Well, I love this particular tile. It is handmade. Many of the ingredients are local to the factory. It takes 35 steps to get from the ingredients to the finished product, and that people have to care all the way through the process. And I just wanted that as part of my kitchen. Asking a good question about a color palette is like asking what color clothes do I wear. Clearly I love gray, the whole house is gray. But I also love navy blue. And so the idea that I could actually have part of the kitchen navy blue, which would be the bottom, and I'd have a very pale gray on the top. And by painting the top gray, it allowed the kitchen to sort of fall back on the top and make it feel wider than it really is. Cabinetry is not only the outside, it's the inside. I wanted some glass-fronted cabinets so that I could put out the things that I love. I could see them and use them and be reminded of them, as opposed to behind a closet door that I would never use. I am certainly not a kitchen designer, and I was fortunate to have the services of Waterworks design department to help me. So I knew, for example, I had to have a way to retrieve my pots and pans that was easy. In my old house, I literally had to get on my knees to find my pots, and that wasn't going to happen here. What suits your family? What's appropriate for the house? And what can you think about as you, what I always call age and place? Do you have everything that's appropriate so that you will be happy in your kitchen from this day forward? Anyway, I feel at home and comfortable in my kitchen. I love being in here.